What if I told you that Japanese grammar is not complicated at all? What if every confusing rule you have been studying actually follows just two simple patterns? Every anime phrases you have ever heard, Ikuzo, Nani, Daijoubu, Gambare, they all follow the same two-pattern system. And in the next 10 minutes, you will understand Japanese grammar better than people who have been studying for years. Let's start. Here is what nobody tells you about Japanese grammar. Every Japanese sentence is built on one of two patterns. I call it the VENOM formula, verbal nominal. Let me explain what that means. Pattern 1 is verbal, the mas family. Verbal sentences describe action, things you do. In Japanese, action verb end with mas in their polite form. For example, tabemasu mean I eat, ikimasu mean I go, mimasu mean I watch. Must equal action equal verbal. When you see must, you know someone is doing something. Pattern 2 is nominal, the Desu family. Nominal sentences describe states, identities, or description, things you are or how things are. In Japanese, these sentences end with desu in their polite form. For example, gakusei desu means I'm student. Kirei desu means it's beautiful. Nihonjin desu means I'm Japanese. Desu equals state or description equal nominal. When you see desu, you know you are describing what something is or how something is. Here's the key difference. Verbal means you are doing something, so it uses must. Nominal means you are something or something is a certain way, so it uses desu. That's it. That's the entire foundation of Japanese grammar. Two patterns, the VENOM formula. Now here's where it gets interesting. Every anime phrases you know follows one of these two patterns. Even the casual form, even the comments, even the slang, they all come from either the mas family or the desu family. Let me prove it to you with 10 phrases. First phrase, Ikuzo, let's go. This is verbal because it's come from iku, which means to go. The polite form is ikimasu. That's tell you it's an action verb. Ikuzo is just the casual command form. The zo at the end add masculine emphasize, but the root is still iku, a verbal action from the mas family. You are telling someone to do something to go. Action equal verbal equal mas family. Second phrase, Nani, what? This is nominal because it's question word asking about identity or state. What is something? Not what is something doing. What is it? The full polite sentence is nan desu ka? What is it? That's your nominal marker. Nani by itself is just the casual form, but it still belongs to the desu family because you are asking about what something is, not what it's doing. Third phrase, Daijoubu, it's okay. This is a nominal because it describes a state. You are not doing okay. You are okay. It's describing how something is. The full sentence is Daijoubu desu. It's okay. Desu equal state equal nominal. In anime, they drop the desu because it's casual conversation, but the pattern is still there. You are describing state of being okay, not an action. Fourth phrase, Gambare, do your best. This is verbal because it comes from gambaru, which means to do one's best or to persevere. The polite form is gambarimasu. Mas equals action equal verbal. Gambare is the common form. You are telling someone to do something, to try hard, to persevere. That's an action, so it's verbal from the mas family. Fifth phrase, Sugoi, amazing. This is nominal because it's an adjective describing how something is. You are not doing amazing. Something is amazing. The polite form is Sugoi desu. It's amazing. Desu equal description equal nominal. In Japanese, adjectives that describe state or qualities follow the nominal pattern. You are describing what something is like, not what it's doing. Sixth phrase, kawaii, cute. This is nominal for the same reason as Sugoi. It's an adjective describing a state or quality. Kawaii desu means it's cute. Desu equal description equal nominal. You are describing how something is, its cuteness. That's a state, not an action, nominal pattern. Seventh phrase, baka, idiot. This is nominal because it's noun describing what someone is. You are calling someone an idiot. That's their identity in that moment. The full sentence is baka desu. You are an idiot. Des equals identity equals nominal. You are not describing an action. You are describing what someone is. That's the nominal pattern. Eighth phrase, yatta, I did it. This is verbal because it's come from yaru, which means to do. The polite form is yarimasu. Mas equal action equal verbal. Yatta is the past tense, casual form. The ta at the end shows past tense, but it still formed the mas family because you did something. That's an action. Ninth phrase, arigato, thank you. This is nominal because it's actually an adjective that originally means rare or difficult to access. It describes a state of gratitude. The polite form is arigato gozaimasu. The mas here come from gozaimasu, which is a polite form of to be, but arigato itself follows the nominal pattern. It describes a state. 10th phrase, takakai, fight. This is verbal because it's come from tatakau, which means to fight. The polite form is tatakaimasu. Mas equal action equal verbal. Tatakai is the command form. You are telling someone to do something, to fight. Pure action, verbal pattern, mas family. Every single anime phrase follows either verbal or nominal, mas family or des family. Once you understand this VENOM formula, verbal, nominal, Japanese grammar becomes simple. You are not memorizing thousands of random rules, you are seeing two patterns everywhere. Action equals verbal equal mas. State, description, identity equals nominal equal des. That's it. That's Japanese grammar. If you want more videos breaking down Japanese grammar using the VENOM formula, subscribe right now. I post every Tuesday with grammar breakdowns and every Friday with practice contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.